Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, all the cliches are at play here. Revenge is a dish best served cold. Be careful what you wish for. Karma is a bitch and all that. So all of these cliches are at play here. So guys, I bring you this. We Northerners deeply regret the gang up against Goodluck Jonathan. This is according to Governor Shettima. So again, we Northerners deeply regret the gang up against Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, and this is Governor Shettima saying this. So now here's the body of the story. Governor Kashim Shettima of Borno State has revealed that during Goodluck Jonathan's government, the northern governors traveled to the United States to convince Obama's government not to sell weapons to the Jonathan administration. Obama agreed with the northern governor's plan and placed an embargo on weapon procurement by the Jonathan administration. To ensure that Nigeria defeats Boko Haram, Jonathan contacted a licensed private arms dealer who traveled to South Africa to buy weapons for our military. The Boko Haram members in the presidency leaked out this secret arms deal to their northern leaders and governors. The northern governor immediately contacted President Jacob Zuma, who seized the money, $9.34 million dollars, which they tagged money laundering. They got the information that Jonathan has contacted another South African arms dealer and reported to Zuma, and he seized another $5.7 million to frustrate his anti-terrorist fight. Northern leaders, in order to frustrate Jonathan, also threatened to drag the former Chief of Army Staff, General Azikiwe, before the ICC for brutally dealing with their Boko Haram. Now the US has lifted the sanction, and the $1 billion given to Buhari has developed wings as soldiers are complaining of lack of weapons to fight Boko Haram, and those criticizing Jonathan have now gone silent. So now this is now this northern governors now coming out one by one now to say that nothing has changed and indeed things have gotten worse. So they went to America to frustrate Goodluck Jonathan because of course he's from the eastern parts and they would not have it to have a president that he is from the eastern parts. So they've gone out of the way to their way rather to frustrate him from in his battle against Boko Haram, even though Boko Haram was actually decimating their own region of the country. So the defeat of Boko Haram was not paramount in their thinking. It was more the bringing down of Jonathan that was paramount in their thinking. So now they've now gotten their own man in there and nothing has changed. Indeed, things have gotten worse. So the $1 billion that was given to Buhari has taken flight. Nobody knows where that has disappeared to, as does a lot of money under this Buhari regime, who is meant to be an anti-corruption regime, but a lot of money keeps disappearing and nobody knows where this money is going and nobody is saying anything. And by the way, that is why they rigged that election heavily, because the amount of money that these people are stealing is beyond belief. It's the largest stealing that has ever taken place in the history of Nigeria, that is taking place under this Buhari regime now. And if anybody had come in then to replace him, and if even a minor probe would have unveiled an avalanche of atrocities that's been taking place under this regime. So there was no way they were going to give up power, because they need another 4 years to cover their tracks, because the level of stealing is just too much. And now you have this Governor Shettima from Borno State, the heartland of Boko Haram, now saying, I'm sorry sir to Goodluck Jonathan that we were a nuisance to you and supported the getting rid of you, because things are now worse and no better, and actually worse, and this is now where we find ourselves, where you were trying to buy weapons to come and rescue our region. These people who we have actually given money to buy weapons are actually just disappearing the money, and the soldiers say they don't even have a shakabula. to fight Boko Haram. So conversations in the comment section, the Northerners regret, and good luck Jonathan. That is the topic of conversation that we're having now. So come join me in the comment section to have this conversation. But before you come join me in the comment section to have this conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray, bell button, that way you're notified every time I drop a new video. Then come join me in the comment section. Let me know what you are making of this. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section. But here I say peace.